Alright guys, this is going to be the last video that I do anything to the plane except build the motor, the fake motor and motor mount. But this video, I've got all of the tissue paper on, and what I want to do, this wing, this is all so nice and tight. I don't know how I did that so good. This 1/4, so I have two panels and then 2 panels on the 2 halves. This 1/4 is just beautiful. It's so nice and flat. What I'm gonna do is have this mister, not Mr. like Mr. Bailey. This is it makes a mist. See if I can, well, anyway, it makes a nice consistent mist. And what I'm gonna do is spray the wings so that the tissue paper gets wet, and when it dries, it should shrink. We're gonna try it. Especially this top wing, and I might zoom in on that. Alright, that was pretty cool. There are a few wrinkles in it, but for the most part, it dried fairly tight. The back stabilizer wing looks really good. So I got this comment. He's actually gluing the wood to the plans and then cutting it out. I think someone needs to tell him because he's totally lost. So at this point now, I am totally lost because I've seen other people do this and I'm not sure why I wouldn't want to do this. So if somebody could comment why this is a bad thing. I have multiple copies of the plans, so it's not like I'm using the only set. So I don't know. If someone could help me out here, I would appreciate that. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video.